TRENDnet's USB 3.0 to Gigabit adapter plus USB hub, model TU3-ETGH3, adds a Gigabit adapter port and three 5 gigabit per second super speed USB 3 ports to a Windows or Mac computer. Use an available high-speed USB 3.0 port on your computer to add the adapter. USB 3.0 ports are colored blue, whereas slower USB 2.0 ports have a black color. Make sure you connect to a USB 3.0 port in order to get the full speeds offered by this high-performance adapter. An included optional power adapter provides full power to power-hungry USB devices. Unlock computer connectivity with TRENDnet's high-performance TU3-ETGH3.